Hi, welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today I'm going to make some easy sausage rolls. I'm just going to season them with some curry powder, some pepper, some garlic powder, an onion, some carrot, and some celery. I'm using some plain old beef sausage mince that I got from Coles on clearance. And if you notice up at the top there, I do have some puff pastry. Just coming to room temperature so we can work with it. So in your food processor or your NutriBullet or whatever you've got, we're just going to chop up our carrots. Don't chop them up too small, don't chop them up too chunky, just chop them. I've used 3 little ones here, but usually I'll just use 1 big one. We got our celery. I'm only going to use 1 stick of celery because we don't want to add too much liquid into it, and celery does give off a lot of liquid when it's been pureed. Chop up your onion. Right, gonna pop the lid on and really blitz it until it's a nice smooth consistency. We don't want any big chunks in this. Get our log of sausage mince. This log will make 8 sausage rolls, doing half with the normal amount of seasoning and half that I'm going to put some extra curry powder and some cheese. So we put our veggie in, our pepper, our garlic powder, and a little bit of curry powder. Just a tiny splash of soy sauce. That adds your salt and adds a little bit of extra moisture as well. Make sure it's mixed up really nice. It's all incorporated. Now get one of your slices of puff pastry and just lay it into the sausage roll maker. No need to cut it up. And when you're filling it, make sure you fill it over halfway. We don't want it to shrink too much. Otherwise we've just got weird little pastry puffs with a little bit of meat. About 10-15 minutes, we'll give it a check. I like to flip it because these things are notorious for not cooking evenly. Another 5 and pop them out. Nice and golden brown. Let's pop it on the plate, start cooling down while we pop our next sheet of pastry in. I've added a bit more curry powder to this one, and I'm going to pop some mozzarella cheese on top, just for a different flavour. Once again, fold it over, pop it down, and walk away. Alright. Look delicious, nice and crispy. So you can eat them straight away, you can let them cool down. They are delicious and they're nice and moist inside. Look at that, all glossy. Well, I hope you enjoy and hope you try it out. Thank you very much.